Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to turn off Autostart in NordVPN. Before we start, I want to tell you about a huge discount. So if you click the link in this video description and sign up, you're gonna have a huge discount on any paid plans on NordVPN. So I really recommend you to go and look for them because they are huge and one of the best out there. So I really recommend you if you want to create a brand new account on NordVPN and you want to get a huge discount on new plans. Now let's get back to the video. So the first step is to simply open the NordVPN app, and after that you'll have to simply go on and click on the settings. So you have to go to settings, and then you have to simply click on connection, and then here click on auto connect, and then you have to simply deselect all the options, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.